today's topic I am going to explain CSS align elements. So what are align elements? What is the purpose of align elements? We will see. So if you see this diagram in a web page, we may have a text or an image. So the text or image sometimes we may want to show in the center or we may want to show in the right side. How do we place the text or image in the center or right side? We will see using this align property. So let's see this example. So in this example I have a simple div block and I have a paragraph element. So let us run this page. So in this page you can see a paragraph is displayed inside a div block. So for a div block, let me apply a style here like div1. I want to apply some border 2 pixels, solid red, solid red. So save this, go back to the page. Alright, so we can see the content is left side by default. So now how can I place the content or the text in the center? So with using CSS property. So any paragraph here, so I can say here inside div the text align should be center. Inside this div block the text align should be center. So save this and refresh the page. So now we can see the text is actually placing in the center. Now we can also place at the right side by using right property value, right? So you can see here it is placing on the right side. Now let's say this complete div block I want to provide, there is a difference now. If I say width 50%, width 50%, so we can see that the content is actually placing right side within the div block. So how do I place this div block at the right side? So for that simply we can apply two options margin right auto and we can say margin left auto. So this way our content will be placed at the center. Alright, if I want to place at the right side, so we can use margin right auto, sorry, margin left auto, margin left auto. Alright, so you can see that the width of the div block is actually 50% and I am placing auto margin. So that way our content will be placed after the margin. So similarly, let's create an image element here, image src. I have a picture cd1 image and I'll just apply alt image1, something like this. So by default this image is coming in the right side, by default this image is coming on the left side. So now let me place this image at the center or the right side. So whatever the styles we have applied, we will use the same thing here. For image property, for image element, I want to display it as a block and width I want 40%, width I want 40% or actually say 30%. So the width is actually 30%. Now I can apply margins left and right, margin left auto, and then I can say margin right auto. So this way the content will be placed in the center. So if we inspect this element, you can see that there is a margin applied for an image element, left and right side with a auto property. Alright, so this is how we can place. However, if there is a content, if you want to display in the right side, we can also use another option called position. So let's say I'll write another paragraph here, paragraph 2. So this paragraph, let me place inside a div block, class is equal to div2. So for this div2, let me add some properties, border 2 pixel, solid green, solid green. Alright, save this, refresh. So we can see that the block is actually created. Now let me add a width for this div block. So I want to place this div block right side. So we can use these properties by saying margin left, or I can use another option called position. So let me place it 300. So for this I'll apply position. So when the position is absolute, I want to place this div block in the right side. I will say right 0. Save it, refresh. So now we can see the paragraph is actually placing from the right side, but inside the content is still not center aligned. So for this text align, so you can say center or right. So there is a fourth option using a float. So what I can use here, I can copy paste this, or I can say paragraph 3, paragraph 3. So this paragraph 3, I can add a class para 3. By default, paragraph is coming from the left side. I want to display on the right side. So for this, let me create a block here, break lines, or you can apply margins, top margins. So this paragraph we want to display right using another option called float. So dot para 3. So you can say float right side. So we can see the content is actually floating from right. Also you can say right or center. Actually float starts from right, so let's use right. Alright, so this is how we can align